You through just a few of the user instances that you can expect while working with the software that makes this very easy to deploy and very trainable for all of your clients, or all your users. The first part of this is, let's say you want to upload media. It's very simple. You can pull in videos from YouTube if you were to do that. Again, I'm here just to show kind of how simple that is and how quick it happens on this out-of-box technology, right? So it pulls in all the name, description, everything from YouTube. You can do private unlisted. You can specify a time frame for when it's supposed to show up and exit, publishing schedule. So that's all very simple to do. Uploading video content either from your phone or your laptop, computer, desktop. You're just simply choosing a file to upload. You're going to hit what the title, description, those types of things, but very, very simple, consumer grade user experience. Let me show you now what it's like using some of the tools, the editing tools inside the platform. So let's say I wanted to edit this video. Okay, I'm going to pause it for right now just so I can show you. So you're just going to go to Actions. Any authorized user is going to go to Actions and they'll hit Edit. And behind this one little button, there is a lot of capability that you can do with HTML editing. So that's where you can edit details, description, add your tags, put the publishing schedule, right? You're going to have, I'll go through these options where you can clip, you can collaborate, you can enable, disable comments if you decide to have your own channel. So that you can add that additional collaboration. You can add different media owners and co-creators and co-collaborators that can also get in here and do some of the editing functions to the physical video asset. You can add media attachments to this particular to your video, so you can add PowerPoints and actually splice those in. Captions files, if you have those professionally, or if you have those done by a human, or we can auto-generate them for you, either with a human or mechanical means. Okay, thumbnails is a big thing to you. This is where you can create your own, capture one from the video that's playing, or have one auto-generated. So very simple, familiar experience where you can allow people, here's where you can allow people to download the source files. Okay, so very much control. This is where you're going to be able to add different presentation slides if that's what you want to do inside your video. Now replacing, very, very simple. I do it right now, but I don't have a video to replace. I don't want to replace this video. You just hit whatever video that, whatever next version you want to add up there. It keeps all your tags, description, all your URL information, so you're not losing any SEO value. You're just adding a new version on. Very, very simple. Very, very simple problem to solve. And then also you can trim videos. So, it's interesting if you're already collecting, or you want to scale and begin collecting additional user-generated content. As you can see by this, I'm actually using Capture Space Lite to videotape and record myself. And so these are the tools that your users will be able to work with out of the box. And here, you'll be able to set different trim points, start points. And so once you get done with some user-generated content, you want to clip off the front and the back. What you can do is you upload the entire video to the system, and then once it's on here, you can go back and edit it. So you're not taking it in the iMovie and doing a screen capture, which is very cumbersome. And like you said, you lose control over the quality users do just because of these things. The last part of this, so very simple, very easy to use, very easy to test if you like. These are the other two pieces to this. So this is basically what the public sees if you were to use a video channel. These are the two admin tools. One of them is the admin console, which just basically allows you to turn different widgets on, put different skins, put logos and make static pages and all those types of things, and and edit fonts, right? So that's your configuration manager. And then this is the KMC manager, where your admins would do things like bulk actions. They would tie into analytics. Speaking of which, I also have viewer analytics here, which is kind of cool on per video basis. I actually just started looking at it, but you can see any number of variables as a user. You don't have to be an admin user to, and again, learn new workflows in order to understand how well your video is performing, right? So you can keep it very simple for a lot of people, and that's how you get adoption, as I'm sure you're aware. So this right here, if you wanted to do anything like with content on a bulk basis, let's say you wanted to add, you know, all the videos. Let's say you said, you know what, all the videos and use cases should have the tag customer stories, right? So instead of going in on a video by video basis, right, which is what some people may be doing when they're just checking off boxes and checking off saying that they can have capabilities, right? You have to understand what those capabilities are in the RFP. But this is how easy it is to, you know, do bulk actions, add whatever tags. What I just say? For customers, customer stories. Save changes. All those are added to it. Very, very simple. So then, you know, you come back over here and you're able to see. It takes. There we go. It takes a little bit to propagate, right? You got to clear out the cache, but it's near instantaneous. And this is also where you're able to do manage your player settings. I mean, this is awesome. You ask about all the player capabilities. Look at how simple all this is. You've got auto preview. You can do. Here, that's actually some content I made in plastic surgery. But as you can see, you've got everything at your fingertips. You add your Google Analytics, your different skip buttons, pre-roll, post-roll video, all your plugins and your player skins, and that's how you make, you know, customized players that then you can then embed. Administration is very simple. Users are added given certain admin privileges. They have certain roles. Again, the point of it is showing you how simple it is to use and set up, and it doesn't have the friction that's associated with a lot of platforms that haven't spent a lot of time, a lot of money, and a lot of expertise building it. But I look forward to speaking with your group next week. Thank you very much.